In this video, we will show you how to drop or withdraw from a class at USF. From the My USF homepage, click on the Student Self-Service tile. You will then be directed to the Student Self-Service landing page, where you should select Plan and Register from the Registration menu options. This will take you to the Registration landing page. Select the Register for Classes link. On the next screen, you will see a field labeled Term Open for Registration. Select the term for which you wish to adjust your registration by dropping or withdrawing. Click the Continue button to move to the next page. This will take you to the Register for Classes page, where you will see 3 distinct areas. In the lower right on the Summary section, you are able to drop or withdraw from classes. Select the course that you would like to drop or withdraw from using the drop-down to the right of the course. Use the indicated selection available, in this case, Dropped. Once you make your selection, click the Submit button to finalize your drop or withdraw. When you do this, it will complete the action and show Dropped next to the course. Prior to the drop add deadline for the term or part of term, the course that you drop will not appear on your transcript, and you will receive a refund of tuition and course fees. After the drop add deadline, the course will remain on your transcript with a W grade for withdrawal, and there is no refund of tuition and course fees. Under the Schedule and Options tab at the top of the page, you can see a full list of all actions taken for the term, including those courses that are dropped. Before dropping all of your classes for the term, it's critical to reach out to your academic advising team, or if you're a graduate student, your graduate program directory. There are additional videos to get more in-depth instructions about the components of student self-service on the Office of the Registrar's website at www.usf.edu/registrar. Please check them out, and as always, go Bulls!